Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this lovely Wednesday. I'm so happy that we got through the Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day, and now we're back. We got a lot of stocks that are moving this morning. Looking forward to talk about them. Had a couple of good little runners yesterday. We're going to talk a little bit about those too and everything. Good to see you, Susie, Grant, Jeff, Lawrence, Margaret, everyone over on social media. Welcome back. Yeah, we got a packed schedule for you this week. First of all, we got classes that are going on starting today. I'm doing phase 3 live trading, so make sure you guys register for that. We just posted a link in class. And also, we got Bookmap that's coming on today. Yep, I'm looking forward to having them. We're going to talk about a couple of new features. We're going to talk about level 4. I'm really looking forward. He's going to talk about this new journal that's on the tool. That is going to be absolutely great. I'm going to love that one. So you don't want to miss that. We'll broadcast that live on social media. So if you guys make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you give us a thumbs up, ring the bell, and once again, make sure you like us and friend us. All right. Let's talk about what happened yesterday. But before we do that, market is down about 270 points. We are getting a little bit of correction across the market. A lot of things are going down, which is okay. Listen, things been going up a lot. Oil's been going up. What's going on? Bitcoin is down a little bit. What else we got that's going on here? We got the Dow's down, and is oil's that is what's gold doing? Just check it out and see what that's the only thing that's up. Probably everything is down across the board. But anyway, let's talk about what happened yesterday. We had a couple of good stocks I want to cover. And let me just change this on to today. By the way, this GVH, I know some of you in the cyber group room have been trading it. Been doing really, 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 really good. I'm glad you like that. You guys did really well on that. What a nice move right there at that 8:30 time zone. Look at that, $1.90 up to about $3. Damn, that's a pretty nice little move right there. Anyway, let's look at some other stocks that we traded yesterday, and we'll go through that nice little watch list. First of all, ASTS, okay? So ASTS is obviously still moving, and it's going back on the watch list. So let me get my little legal pad here and start writing these things down. Pages and pages and pages. So this one, the ASTS, I got it back on the watch list. I was checking out some orders this morning. We got a 40,000 share buyer hovering around $6 right now. And a couple of orders starting to go around $6.50. So it's kind of channeling right here. But she had a really nice move going into the afternoon. And I don't know, Space Mobile, I don't know if this is up because I heard T-Mobile bought out Singular, another, basically being like a huge conglomerate, T-Mobile. But I don't know if that has something to do with it. I don't know if it's in the same business. I see mobile, Space Mobile, so I'm thinking, cell phones immediately. Just like when you see a word that has AI at the end of it. But anyway, it looks like it's moving pretty well. It's going back on the watch list. I'll show you the orders out there. You could see them right here. This is what we're going to cover today, by the way, with Bookmap that's coming on. $6.50, $6 right there. Not bad. Look, moving stock. That was how they convert into day trades and in turn to swing trades. Remember, this stock back in May, we would, mid-May, it was at $2. You could see it right now. This stock is up almost 300%. And, it is coming up close to a resistance levels back in December. So I'll be a little cautious on that. Not really. We'll find out and see when program trading kicks in right around the 9:30. By the way, did you guys ever watch my short video that I did? It's on YouTube about what does it look like when program trading kicks in at 9:30 when the market opens up. If you haven't watched it, definitely watch it. It's a really cool. It's short. It's like, I don't know, 20 seconds. I think everybody could spare 20 seconds, but definitely watch that. I think you'll like that quick little video. Anyway, a couple other stocks that we did really well yesterday. SMR was another one. Listen, it was at around 7. It went to about, shot up to about 980. Had a nice little afternoon run. That one did well. The big ones, I'm telling you, was NVIDIA, NVA. This thing has just nonstop moving. It's NVIDIA. It's NVDL, which is the ETF version of it. AMD made a really big pop after getting, took a big hit the other day. That one ran from 164 to 174. And the SOX, the SOLX, that one, obviously with the market going up, now it's going down. That was good ETF yesterday. So And then the afternoon, I don't know what happened with NVAX. NVAX had a nice push going in yesterday, going into the close. Damn, this thing just literally from 2 o'clock. What a great run on that one. We were talking about this yesterday in class about how it's consolidating. It was kind of a little bit difficult of a swing trade. But yeah, you know what? It took a big hit right here at the open. And all of a sudden, never phased it. Came right back only at 1550. So keep an eye on that NVAX too, not only as a day trade, but also as a swing trade. All right, now let's talk about what's moving this morning, because there are a couple of stocks that do look pretty well. The GVH has got a nice little move right here. Orders, it looks like it's starting to back off though, because I'm seeing there was a lot of orders out here around $2.90, $3. They kind of disappeared. I'm getting a lot of red balls, which means there's a lot of selling going on. You can see here on time and sales, you red, 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 red. Actually, one of the students in the room was asking me, Fausto, how do you get time and sales? How do you get, well, first of all, number one, you should be in your class. Okay. You should be taking our classes, because we cover that very, 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 in detail, how to use it. Number two, to answer your question, your brokerage firm gives it to you for free. So you probably don't have it turned on, and that's okay. But, that's some of the benefits of you need to learn how to use it. That one's moving pretty well. CCG is another one that's moving up pretty nicely this morning. CCG. And this stock you could see here was almost $200. Stock got destroyed. Okay. Making a little bit of a pop here. Not too crazy about the iceberg orders here. You can see here 260, 230, 220. Not terrible, but it looks like she made her move early and she kind of slowed down a little bit right here. But you know what? She's up 55%, and she did trade, 17 million shares. This one right here, this is the warrants. This is the other stock that I found, ASTS. So this one also, a couple of big orders show up here around 6. This is the one we were talking about early this morning. Looks, and you can see why it's in here. BNAI is another one we've been watching too. And a lot of volume just came in right now. Look at this big order right here. This is 00. But there was a big order that just came in. You see that big transaction? See the time and sales? Looks like that big guy got done at 170. So it looks like the stock is starting to make a little bit of a push right here. BNAI, another nice little mover. 4 million shares traded. That goes on a watch list. This stock just got crushed. I don't know what happened this morning. This one kind of really big run up, and then all of a sudden she just crapped out. She just died. So, this thing was up all the way here at 7 o'clock this morning and went all the way down to $2. Got a couple of orders here around $2 at $1.80. Do I think it's a good day trading? Listen, it's cheap. It's got a good spread. It's 16 million shares. It was an $80 stock. Why not? So SYTA, that one is going on a watch list too. It is up 32%. This one, ugly spread. This one we already know about. This one, looks like it's on a downtrend. We're at 18%, 11%. Are we done there? Anything over 10%, we watch. Anything under that, we scratch. This one, big move up from yesterday. It's coming down. Nothing here in the losers list. By the way, GameStop's on the loser list, right? Remember that one from yesterday? I forgot to mention that one. That had a good move yesterday. Really, really nice move. Listen, stay away from it. Just stay away. All right? Stay away. Basically, also, Kava. Didn't we talk about Kava for a while? Didn't I tell you what was happening with unfortunately, it was a slow mover, but Kava, new IPO, broke all-time highs right here at 57, finally broke out. That one's been a great swing trade. We talked about that one for a while, but it looks like it's on a downtrend now because it's been doing really well lately. And unfortunately, I hate to say it, I sold it. Oh, I wish I still had that thing. Oh my God, I had such a nice position in that too. Anyway, can't win them all, right? We had a couple of them. Chewy's earnings are pretty flat too. I saw the Chewy flats. Yeah, that one's doing pretty well. That one came up pretty nice. Chewy took a big hit, and it is up a little bit here at $20. So that one's not doing. That's not doing too bad. So Chewy had a big pop. That's going to be on the watch list. CHWY. I saw that. That's the actual second biggest percentage gainer. QBTS. That was another one I saw too. By the way, the Chewy, just to show you. We got a couple of big orders here at 20. See them right there? for 28,000, 20,000. No real big buyers out there. Remember, just got to follow the damn money, everyone. This one, the QBTS, got about an 18,000 share buyer here around about $1.57, which is right around here. Not terrible. Slow, cheap. You know what I mean? It had a good move yesterday. This is going to be, if you're a real beginner, this might be right up your alley. All right. So it's a pretty decent list. I'm looking forward to do this in class today at phase 3. So we got a bunch of stocks to work off. Anyone on social media that missed anything, or anyone else? AAL down after outlook lowered. Yeah, something happened to American Airlines. I don't know what happened with it, but yeah, that's taking a very, very big hit. You know what? Looks like a big buy if you get to 11. Put it on your watch list. Keep an eye on that, Dominic. Very good call on that one right there. So that one looks pretty good right there. Looks like it's going to make a new low. Let's put AAL on the losers list. How's all the other stocks doing? Delta, is that coming down too because of it? Delta made a nice little comeback too for a while. We got 37 up to 52. They all did pretty well over the course of the year. Just very, very, very slow movers. Very slow. All right, everyone. So let's get ready for the market open up. We got about 15 minutes. I want to get ready for class. Everyone on social media, if you want to join our room, like we always say, take your phone, scan that little QR code in the top left-hand corner. We broadcast live all day. We look forward to having you in the oldest running trading room, been around for 30 years. We will be back here at 11, broadcasting the How to Trade Level 4. For everyone here in class, if you're a student, anybody gold and higher, you're going to be doing phase 3 with me. If you're not, and you want to know a little bit more about how to get in there, talk to Education Advisor. They'll get you into their class, and they'll tell you what you need to do. In the meantime, let's get ready for the open. Trade safe, everybody. It's still, a holiday, a little bit. Looks like everyone's just starting to come back a little bit, but don't get too cocky, all right? We'll find a bunch of new stocks that will open up if none of these pan out. Good luck, everybody. Trade safe, and we'll see you in about 15 minutes when the market opens up.